Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial video where I'm going to show you how to convert or change your Nintendo Switch into dark mode, or they call it night mode. So what you want to do is open up your Switch and go to Settings, which is the gear icon here that says System Settings, and then go into System Settings. You then want to scroll down till you see something that says Themes. Go to Themes and change it over to Basic Black. And once you do that, we can back out of the theme here. And as you can see, everything within your Nintendo Switch is now going to be in dark mode, or as they call it, night mode. And if you ever want to change it back, you go to System Settings, Theme, and then go to Basic White, and you are good to go. Couple of things here. Just remember, when you do change it, it is going to be permanent until you switch it back. And the side effect may be that your Nintendo Switch interface just looks overall better. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.